Welcome back to another video on Mimi's Crown. If you are new here, what up, y'all? If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make natural hair videos every single week. If you are a part of the OG gang, what up, OG gang? Y'all know what is going on. And we are back with another video.
With some mad shit, get bad, yeah. Make a nigga spend the cash, yeah. It's bad, yeah. Girl, you working with some mad shit, get bad, yeah. Make a nigga spend the bag.
Okay, you guys, so I will be doing a review on this very interesting product that I thought would help me, and I'm hoping it will. Only because I have color treated hair now. So the product I will be reviewing today is a deep conditioner, because everybody already knows that when you have color in your hair is extremely dry. Drier than if it was not color treated and it was just your natural color. So today I'm going to be trying the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. It is infused with Manuka and baobab oils. This is meant to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair, okay? And it does say that it is color safe at the bottom, okay? So I seen this at Walmart, and I was like, you know what? I'm looking for a new deep conditioner, and I was like, I want to try this one out. So this, let me read the description. It says, want to repair damage caused by over processing, obviously like color treating. Just one use of this intensive treatment reduces breakage up to 76%. Powered by reparative proteins and butters, this nutrient-rich strengthening cream smooths, reinforces, and fortifies abused hair fibers. Fair trade shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt are blended in this deep conditioning formula that helps to combat breakage and split ends, leaving hair looking smooth, soft, and healthy. Tested on chemically treated hair, okay? So now what it says, apply a quarter-sized amount from roots to end, paying particular attention to damaged ends. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and style as usual. This is the Manuka honey and yogurt line, okay? This is so cute. I've never seen this one actually anywhere. And let's go ahead and just do a review. Okay, you guys, so I will be starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. My hair is kind of still a little damp. I wouldn't say it was dripping wet, but it is still a little damp. It still has a little water on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply and separate my hair into 4 sections. And I'm going to apply, make sure that it gets from roots to end. Now, when I got the product out of the jar, it is super thick, okay? I want you guys to know that it is super thick. I wouldn't say heavy, but just thick. So when I show the consistency, look at how thick it is. I then started to subsection and finger detangle my hair. I already finger detangled in the shower. So it was very easy to rake the product through and go into smaller sections just to ensure that the product got on from roots to end. Now, it's not like super slippery or anything like that. It's super thick, like I said, so it was kind of just coating the strands. I'm a strong advocate of not using tools on my hair. Now, I could have easily used the comb to make sure and ensure that the product got on, coated each strand of my hair, but I just hate using tools on my hair, so I didn't even want to break out the comb. I'd rather just apply with my fingers and rake it through. But if you guys want to be a little bit better than me and ensure that it gets on all of the strands and coats from roots all the way down to the ends, please use a comb to further distribute the product. Okay, so the next side was obviously dried up a little bit more, so I just grabbed my spray bottle just to dampen it up a little bit. So the same situation is going to happen when I am applying the product. I'm going to separate it into small sections, finger raking it through, ensuring that it goes from roots to ends. And I'm going to do that all over this second side. Now, once I get done and I finish putting all the product on my hair and coating all the strands, I'm going to just let the twist out of the clips, and I'm going to grab my conditioning cap that I had on in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of my head and let it sit for 15 minutes. Okay, you guys? And then I will be back to show you guys the results after I rinse it out. Boom, we are back, and I have rinsed out the treatment, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it feels strong and moisturized, and especially the ends. It feels good. It feels better than last time I washed it and didn't use that conditioner. This was a treatment, so I don't know if I should go in with like a regular deep conditioner, but I think I'm just gonna style my hair like this. It feels super strong and super good. It doesn't feel like it's so dry where it's gonna break apart. So it feels good. And when it's coming out, it's just, I don't know. It feels good though. I'm not gonna say it feels super soft, but it does feel moisturized and it does not feel dry. But it's not like super soft. If y'all know what I'm saying. Protein is not supposed to give that effect anyways. So, yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair as usual, like I always do. 2 braids it is today. And I highly recommend this product if you guys want moisture put back into your hair. And if you are color treated or bleach treated. Feels good. All right, you guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. Okay, y'all, I am back. But real quick, do not mind this white stuff. This is just stuff that helps, you know, some stuff edge treatment that I put on just to regrow my edges. So do not mind this white stuff. It's supposed to go away in a few minutes, but I want to go ahead and say that after styling my hair and putting the leave-in conditioner that I usually put on it while I do these 2 braids, it felt like butter. Like, it was going on so smooth. It felt super moisturized. And it felt super strong. It didn't feel like it was about to break. It wasn't brittle. It wasn't just, it wasn't nothing. It felt good. And honestly, some of the, I could see where some of the hair that used to be a little bit more, what I want to say, flimsy, a little less curly, it kind of gave it a little bit more plump to it. It kind of formed a little bit more. It looked like it was repairing, like, honestly. So I'll keep y'all updated on, you know, every time I use this mask, if all of the damage goes away, hopefully, even though there's heat damage somewhere in my hair too. But I just want to hop back on here and say how well this turned out. It looks so good. You guys, that is it for this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment what you want to see from me. I will see you guys on the next one.